Dito tayo sa bahay. Ito yung clouds. Ang ganda, diba? Ito yung neighborhood namin. Medyo tahimik dito kaya I love it very much. So, I'll just try. I'm on my bike. Testing lang. Ayan. Oops. Babat na. Kita niyo yung mga leaves. Medyo kalat-kalat. Bye.